All right. I hope I'm being heard right now. Wait, am I being heard? Give me a second. I gotta check. It's almost 1 a.m. where I am right now, so I'm doing this basically just for fun. All right, boys. We got another trade recap. All right, we're good. Let's get this. All right, hold on. I'm just signing in to FX Replay. Boom. All right, let me share my screen. All right, I hope that's good. All right, we're gonna do this right here. Ink. Oh my god, it's gonna make me do this shit, dude. Are we real right now? All right, well, I have to fix my settings and everything, but yeah, I'm gonna do 20 minutes of backtesting. So it's 20 minutes of backtesting. Oh no. 20 minutes of backtesting. Oh no. Do this right here. Hey, why is it black? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. Alright. I think we're good. Alright. I think we're good. Bro, it's an ever. Alright. Let's just focus on over here. I'm not doing the chart colors right now because I really don't want to do that because it takes a solid amount of time. But I hope you guys can still understand what I'm doing here. I'm in Israel. It's 1 a.m. I'm very tired. I did take a losing trade today, but that's why I'm backtesting to build more conviction for tomorrow. So we're gonna do. It's making me do all this stuff again, bro. We have to make it 12 hours, so let's do that. Cool. Custom settings. Next day open is gonna be 9:30. Cool. All right, we're gonna go to the next day open. Damn, my neck's starting to hurt. So we are on the 4 hour here. We'll go to the 1 hour. This is 9:30. Market open. I'm in January of 2020. Okay. What I'm seeing is that we have these highs that we could potentially start drawing towards right now. That's what I'm currently looking at as my drawn liquidity. We filled this 5 minute. So you can see we filled this 5 minute here. And then immediately had this bullish inverse. So this is my continuation move right here. Off of this inverse, I did re-inverse it, but look at this fucking trade candle. We had this now order block confirmed, changing state of delivery. This is the break even, essentially. I guess I'll maybe go break even there. That's hindsight where it would be. And then just targeting my drawn liquidity, which is It's actually, so my drawn liquidity is an unfilled for value gap. I like that. So yes, I like this trade. I'm going to go ahead and take this. Yeah, pretty confident overall. I like the trade. Yapping. Yep. Stop that there. That's what happens when I live trade. You guys are going to see here that I pretty much just lose when I live trade. I don't know why. Might just be that I'm trying to entertain you guys, so I actually just try to take a bunch of trades. Honestly, I think that's what it is, but again, I don't need to make excuses for myself here. All right, we filled this 15-minute fair value gap here. Drawn liquidity is still intact. So this is my continuation model off this 2-minute inverse. All right, this is looking good. So 2-minute inverse after filling the 15-minute with 4-hour unfilled fair value gap as my drawn liquidity. This is a good trade. It is a kind of crazy risk reward, but it's just, this is how it is. This is my trade. This is the trades that I like to take. I'm going to go break even at these highs. You could even scale at these highs because this is a solid risk to reward. All right, took the highs. What time is it? All right, let me think this through. It is 11:14 a.m. This 4-hour is yet to be unfilled. Yes, did not fill it. So my drawn liquidity still looks good. Definitely going to go break even here. I feel like it's dumb not to scale up 50% though, and then leave a runner. Yes, that's probably the right thing to do. Yeah, it's going to run. Wow. Look at that monster trade. What was that? $1,500 trade. Yeah, it's a monster. That's actually a monster trade. Holy shit. Is anyone even in my thing? Oh yeah, Chris. It's been fucking crazy, bro. Panagos can't watch now. That's all good, bro. I mean, I understand. It's 1 a.m. It's 1 a.m. for me as well because I'm in Israel. So, bro, Chris, you see that trade, bro? Freaking monster setup right there. My neck is starting to hurt. We got 15 more minutes here. Let's just bang it out until around 1 a.m. This looks like a no trading day. We can skip. Another no trading day. I know you guys probably want dopamine, so I'm going to try to get a trade here. This is not a trading day at all. Whoa, okay, this is kind of getting out of hand. Actually, no, this could be a trading day. We have these external highs. Definitely could be a drawn liquidity. Just needs to be valid because it is, what is this? No news Friday? No, we have, all right, we have news at 1 p.m. or something. Around 1 p.m. we have news today. I only really have one solid draw. I guess actually we have an unfilled 4-hour fair value gap. See if we want to end up drawing to that. Either one I'd be fine with. So we got close. We rebounced into this unfilled 5-minute right here. Now it's filled, obviously. So if we can get a 1-minute inverse, then that would be my setup. But it doesn't look like we're going to get it. Yeah, okay. So we filled the 4-hour. Now I can look for the mechanical model since we're delivering off of the 4-hour. That's how I trade. So, all right. I thought there was someone there. This isn't, we have no inverses here, unfortunately, but if it goes to the 5-minute, then yeah. Saving liquidity, rebalance to the 5-minute. If an inverses, I'll take along. All right, we're kind of just selling off here. Reason being is that we wanted to take these lows and fill this hourly fair value gap. Still could look okay. And that's actually too late for me to look for any sort of longs. So we'll go next. Oh boy, now this is messy. Yes is drawing towards London highs, so do we get a set of London highs? This is a little bit of chop work. I don't really want to trade this. Yeah, it's kind of gross, but it could work. It's just not. It's not clean. All right, beautiful. Now ES filled with 5 minute. We have London highs intact. Now this is going to be the inverse. That would probably work if it inverses. If this 3-minute inverses, that'll probably work. Just it has to inverse. And yeah, I don't know if it's going to inverse. So I'm trading there. Unless we start drawing towards it right now. Oh, Jesus. All right, well, it's too late for me anyways, so we can go ahead and skip this day. Actually, PM, yeah, I knew it. I knew we'd deliver off PM, but whatever. Well, let's see if we can trade today. Now, I didn't think about taking this. I could have actually taken a trade here. That sounds stupid to me. I don't know why I didn't consider this low. That's kind of retarded. Oh, fuck that. Yeah, delivering off this hourly for value gap, I definitely may have been able to find. We have a data low here. ES is definitely more bearish. So we'll see if ES wants to present something here to the downside. I need it to rebalance. Looks like we're pushing it up into the 5 minute. We have this 15 minute now. Yeah, unfortunately, I need to wait for this. So we got it there. Now I think this 3 minute, if it inverses, will probably work. Yeah. Beautiful. This is a beautiful setup here. We have, is this previous day's low? Okay, we have previous day's low as my drawn liquidity. We rebalance to the unfilled 15 minute, and then we have 3 minute IFEG. ES being more bearish. Taking it here on ES. Right off of this 3 minute IFEG. I was lucky enough to catch the tariff pause today. Yeah, it's kind of sick. It's kind of cool. I got cooked today in the markets, but I did well yesterday, so we're still up on the week. All right, we'll see how this plays out. I am pretty confident just because it's A plus of my model, but we'll have to just let it do its thing here. My break even personally, we have these equal lows right here. Could partial, but I'm more confident with. I'm fine with just going break even there. So yeah, that's break even right there. Did stop. No. No. Don't. Damn. So that happens, as you can see, happens. Right? I could have probably scaled. I could have probably had actually my full take profit there. It is what it is, right? It's annoying, but again, that's just part of the game. You got to understand that taking break-even trades like that, it happens, and you just got to go through it. Yeah, it's just something all traders go through. So. Now this is not a bad setup in itself here. Even though it's late, this is a pretty clean mechanical model. We have an unfilled 5 minute. We have a 1 minute inverse here, and we're respecting this bullish 1 minute, or we disrespected it, but we're respecting the overall inverse. So the trade would be like that. Stops would be here. I'm not going to take this. Honestly, if it would play out. Yeah, it would. Okay. Wow, and of course I didn't take it. But that's all right. We're just gonna have to be really picky. That's what's gonna get you. That's what's gonna get you far in the long run with your trading. So London highs is the draw. It's gonna run. I see. All right, I think NQ could come to these lows potentially, unless it wants to reverse off these more internal lows, London lows. So, and I missed another entry probably. No. So we'll see. Maybe we draw to London highs now. Maybe we dump. Maybe we draw. Maybe we dump. Oh, we dump. We dump. No, we dump. It's late, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead the next day here. It's getting quite late. Gotta go to bed soon. This could be a draw on liquidity for sure. We have a bunch of lows. I think it's a bearish day, but yeah, it's gonna be a good shorting bearish continuation day. All right, this is gonna be the trade, I think. So it's right inside the macro. So great timing for this trade. I like the draw on liquidity. Right, we have this 1 minute inverse after filling the 5 minute. We have our overall draw on liquidity still intact. Can I just target these lows, bro? Yeah, I can. So I'm just gonna target these lows. I'm kind of tired of. Yes, I do think it can go to the lows, and yes, that's the objective of my model. But when there's an internal low and I can get more than a 1-to-1, I will gladly just take that. Break even will be right here. Oh, yep, and there we go. Take profit smashed. Watch it run. If it does, oh. Do you guys see that shit, dude? Do you guys see that? Wow. Some people I know put stops here. It's crazy, but bro, oh my god, this could have been a banger. Dude, is anyone in my live? Yo, this is crazy. The one time, because last time it fucked me, and then this time it fucked me again, but in the worst way. Like, holy shit, dude. That's so unfortunate that we didn't hold, but again, I don't want to be greedy. I want to just, I only need a piece of the pie. I don't need anything more. And my overall liquidity was the lows all the way down here. So that'll probably play out. Actually, this could be a trade again. I do think that this 2 minute inverse, are we for real, bro? I knew that shit would happen. Boy. Fill the 5 minute. It's got it. Ooh. That is kind of pretty. That looks nice. That looks very nice. Unfill the 15 minute with a 5 minute IFVG. Problem is stop loss is way too big. I can't take this trade. Yep, the objective is right, but again, I can't take it. I gotta be really picky and patient here with my trades if I want to have the best possible analytics. So we're just gonna continue to be picky and patient. So we have London lows right here that both indexes are currently drawing towards. Took out that. We have previous day's low that we just took as well. Okay, so I'm gonna look for the MEC model if I can get it. First presentation inverse will be the best thing I could ask. Yeah, it's not looking like we're gonna get that unless we do have an unfilled 5 minute right up here though. This is chop work. Nah, it's not clean. This 15 minute is actually probably gonna work. I just don't take 15 minute inverses. We do have London highs here. Continuation model. Swept out London highs. I don't want to see any. I'm not confident in the MEC model until we fill this. We'll see if we can just continue putting bullish here. But yeah, okay. Maybe lunch hour gives a setup. I'm not going to take anything until we get closer though. There we go. So this is around PM session, and this is a good setup. This is what I would consider A+ for the continuation model. So we have this 1 minute inverse after filling this 5 minute 4-hour unfilled fair value gap as the drop. Like, this is kind of a beautiful, what I would consider beautiful. In this case, you could technically go for a better risk reward. You could technically go for this risk reward here. I'm not really that confident in that. I'd rather give it a little bit of breathing room and put it underneath the low. But yes, I like this trade, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this. Okay. Still valid draw on liquidity, then for the 4-hour. Everything looks good, so I'm just chilling. See if there's a better break-even point, because it's very early to go break-even. I'm up like, I'm not even up. I'm up like 5 points, so I don't think I should go break-even just yet. I'm gonna wait this, and if we can create another high that's a little bit higher up, I'd be fine with doing that. It's just a little bit too early for me. So now that we've created this high, this is what I wanted to see. Now this would be my break even because it's in the right area. We didn't get there yet. Yeah, we never got there. So never break even. Looks like we might get stopped here, but it was a good trade. I'm not really that mad about it. The prices seem so different. The E-mini Nasdaq at 9.7. I don't even know. This is a weird fucking trade, bro. I don't know what just happened there. Let's see what the analytics are. We're probably awful right now. All right, it's not that bad. We need to lock in though, because 66 is not bad with a 1.8. That's not bad at all. It's actually really good. But I've only taken 14 trades. I'm just gonna stay up all night. Right? Isn't that the right idea? And then wake up early and backtest more. I think that's low-key the move. Yeah, that's the move. Holy shit, I missed it. Whenever the market moves a little bit, people be over exaggerating like crazy. Kind of is annoying. So, unfilled 5-minute, no inverse though. Actually, this is still intact, okay? And this is not only an unfilled 5-minute, but it's about to be an unfilled 15. Tweaking. Now we have this 1-minute inverse. So if this risk reward is able to do, I can take it. I don't know if it's going to be eligible. And it passed the risk reward test, so I can take it. I don't know where I go break even. This is kind of the trade that I don't really have unless we go to these lows, and maybe I'll go break even there. All right, stopped out. Dumbass. What is this price action? Oh my god, it's about to run. That was kind of pointless. I mean, we weren't holding any other fair value gap there. It's just chalk work. That was really bad. This is because that was just fucking pointless as hell. This is the high we're going to draw towards. I can say with 200% confidence. Inverse that. We're inside of a 3. 3 got inverse, but we're inside of a 5. That's just too many fair value gaps here. It's not going to be a trading day. I'm getting cooked. Where did that volatility come from? Like, genuinely, I don't understand, bro. It'll be like slow as shit, and then it's a volatility. We'll just fucking go nowhere. All right. Previous is low swap. This is honestly gonna work. Actually, no, it's not because of the 15 minutes. Oh my god. What is this price action? This is like pretty fucking bad. I mean, this is 2020, so. Whoa. Whoa, that's a volume. We do have actual equal highs, and I kind of want to see if we can reach those today. That looks like it'd be a good draw. It's just gonna run, isn't it? So of course I'm looking for the map, but I don't know if we're gonna actually get anything valid because of this big 5-minute here. This is down. This is just so dumb because I know exactly what's going to happen, and then I just can't take it. That's when the tariff pause. Dude, Trump's switching everything. He's switching up what he's been saying, bro. He's all over the place. Because I know he wants to get people to invest in the U.S. Treasury bonds to reduce debt, more better economy. That's what he really wants, and she thinks that by crashing the stock market, people will start investing in U.S. Treasury bonds. Blah 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 blah. But that's pretty much what Trump's plan seems to be. I honestly don't know. I'm just assuming. Isn't that what we do nowadays? We just assume. We actually have relatively equal lows, and I want to see if we can hit those today. This is bad price action now. I want to wait. We'll wait. PM session could deliver, I think. We'll give it time. This is going to be, if it didn't deliver during PM, but it will probably have it. Yeah. Oh, we actually have both. So yes, actually has some valid draws, and liquidity. If we want to dump, that would be crazy. I don't know if we're going to be able to dump all the way. I know we just probably put in like equal lows here, actually. We did actually. Did put equal lows, unless this is too thick and I can't see. That actually is equal lows, and we just rebounced to the 5 minute. So actually we put a 15 minute now. And this 5 minute inverse would actually be very clean. Oh, damn, gotta inverse all the way down there. Now the short is just not really that clean. That sucks. Unless there's a 1 minute swing high I can put it at, because I'm very confident after this 5 minute just got inverse. So I can put it, we have a 1 minute swing high that we literally just created. I'm giving it some breathing room above that. Yeah, like that. That was bound to work. All right, we'll see if we can get back here. Watching close, because I know we probably have SMTs everywhere. NQ could actually, this could be clean. Not really. Yeah, it's not really clean. I mean, I think, did we just take these lows? Oh, we did actually. NQ just took out these on an edge and a nose. Wait a minute. Okay, so NQ could be presenting something either to the downside. It looks like it's going to be to the downside after that freaking closure. We have these lows here. And it just filled this 5 minute. And I delivered, but I could have taken it actually. If I didn't click twice, I could have taken it. Or could I? I don't think I could have actually, because this risk reward, right? Nah, I don't think I could have. Actually, no, I could have. Wow, I just missed that completely because I was clicking too fast. Wow, that fucking sucks. But this bullish is pretty bullish to this unfilled. Yeah, this could definitely actually be a good long here to the unfilled 15 minute. We just got the 3 minute inverse. This is a mech model. Stops can be below the body and then take profit, obviously. So at the unfilled 15 minute for about a 1-to-1. All right, yeah, we got the mech model as well. This is a very good mech model with the unfilled 15 minute just being right there. Oh, after delivering from the lows. Yeah. All right. Let's see how we did there. 17, 1.6, 66. Okay, that's not bad. I think I'm going to end the session there. That was about 30 minutes. It's very late for me, so yes, I heard that also. I don't really know what he's trying to do though. He's all over the place. Yeah, I would, dude. I'm up like $1,000 on my investment portfolio. So like with my long-term investment stuff, I'm up a ton of money, like a lot of money. I put a lot of money in, so I'm up like 12% on QQQ, NQ, and S&P. So definitely, I would recommend long-term investments right now. But yeah, going to continue backtesting this session. I don't know if it's going to be live, but I'll just continue backtesting tomorrow. So yeah, other than that, I appreciate you guys. For everyone that was in the stream, I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna have to go to bed now, so I'll see you guys maybe next day in life or trade recap. Yeah, probably trade recap. But yeah.